Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa and today I'm going to show you how to make skewer meat. So today I have all my ingredients here, but you can choose to see how you want to season yours. So first, I'm going to add my cayenne pepper. And now my ginger. I'm going to add my garlic now. My powdered garlic. My All-American Season and Rub. You can use it for popularity pork, beef, seafood, and vegetables. Now I'm going to use some black pepper. Old Bay. Now paprika. Now chicken seasoning. And I'm going to add peanut butter powder. I'll be taking 2 spoons of it. Okay. So now I'm going to mix it all with this. Make sure to get everywhere. Like I said, it was skewered. So early in the video, like I said, I would be using skewers. So I'll be mixing it thoroughly with my hands to make sure that all the seasoning gets on every chicken. So when you feel you're done mixing, please go wash your hands. So I'm washing my hands now to get all the seasoning off for the next step. So please take out a skewer because it's skewer meat. Take a chicken and then poke it through. I'll be using 4 chickens. Okay, And so please foil a tray like this. And then once you're done putting on how much meat you want on your skewer, put it on the tray. So I'm going to add 4. I'm going to put it right there. Now I'm going to take another one and do the same thing. Over and over again until you have no more chicken. I'll get back to you when I'm done putting all my chicken on the skewers. Bye for now. So, after I am done putting all the meat on my skewer, as you can see, get your mittens out. And while my oven is preheating, I'm going to carry this up gently, but put it down and open the oven all the way down so you don't get burnt. Now take your meat and gently put it inside. Okay. So once you're done, close the oven. And I'll see you when I'm done, when the meat is done cooking. Bye for now. So you see I have brought it out and it's done. So the skewer stick looks burnt. So if you don't want your skewer sticks to look burnt, please soak them if you want overnight so they won't look burnt. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye!